Hi everybody, this is one of my favorite products. This is my little pumice stone here. If you notice, I'm not wearing any gloves. You don't need any. It's just a pumice stone, literally. And you can get it online. It's very inexpensive, no more than $5 or $6, if that. And you can use it on all kinds of things to clean, such as ovens for carbon buildup, rust, and paint. As you can see, some things are listed right here. There are a whole bunch of other uses on the back, and they have bilingual instructions too, which is really handy. I always try to keep one of these handy. I'm going to clean some carbon deposits from the oven. You just wet it. And like I said, I'm not even going to put on any gloves because you don't really need to. No more chemicals for doing this. Please test this in an inconspicuous spot first. And you just take your towel and wipe. I didn't wet my rag, so you probably want to wet your rag. But if you can see like this carbon deposit here. And it is not scratching the oven, P.S. Let me wet my rag real quick and then come back. That's it. You just rub it on. Like I said, try in an inconspicuous spot. And it's pretty much gone. You may have to work at it just a little bit more. It's not hard for it to come out. I personally love using this on ovens. I'm not even really pressing hard. I personally love to use this on ovens. Look at that. There it is right there on my rag. No more chemicals. You know how you have to use those strong, harsh chemicals to usually get these spots out, wait on the oven to heat up and whatnot. None of that with the pumice stone. Gone. Guys, go get you one of these. It's so handy and you can use it on so many things, but please test it in an inconspicuous spot first. Do not use it on stainless steel, by the way. But like ovens on the inside, barbecue grills. I haven't finished doing this, obviously. I just wanted to show you some test spots. It's so handy. You just wet it, rub it, and I'm not even pressing that hard. It needs wetting just a little bit more. It's dried out a bit. Yeah. And that's it. Please go get one. It's so handy. This is my little oven hack that I use, and also for barbecue grills, it's great too. And it's no more than $6. I think I said that before, but you can pause that and read it. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this oven. And thank you so much.